content over the internet. YouTube, Yahoo, and whenever you want to get content, it's already there. However, we are endeavoring to do something local from that perspective. That is the practice. And the whole endeavor of looking at our network is to be able to do IPTV, video on demand, all those, in certain communities. So what we've seen happening in Fiji now is the development of gated communities. And heavy investment from people like from the US, from Japan, buying properties in Fiji, but at a gated environment. Certainly there would be running pipes into their premises. We are seeing that the future lies in socializing online. So wherever you are, you'd like to do things online. And that's the way we're going to engineer ourselves to move forward.
Thank you.